Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you this simple and easy snack recipe with you all. This is chin chin or Achomo. It's such a delicious snack, and trust me, I hope after watching this video you're going to love making yourself your own homemade chin chin recipe. If today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. To begin with this chin chin recipe, I will start by mixing my ingredients. So to a bowl, I'll go in with my all-purpose flour. I'll also go in with some nutmeg, salt to taste, baking powder. Moving forward, I'll also go in with my sugar, and don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. I'll mix all my dry ingredients very nicely and I'll proceed to the next stage. Alright, so whilst we are done mixing our dry ingredients, I'll go in with my salted butter. Since I'm using salted butter, you can omit the salt that I added to it if you want to, okay? I will mix everything together until the butter mixes well with the flour very well. While that is going on, if you haven't still liked this video yet, please do well to give me a thumbs up. Kindly share this video to reach wider audience, and please do well to turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Alright, so after mixing the butter very well with the flour, I'll go in with some water, and be sure not to add in too much water to make your dough very watery or very soft, okay? We want the dough to really come out from the bowl very neat, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And after getting this perfect consistency, I'm going to be rolling out the dough very nicely on my working surface using my rolling pin. You can use anything that can help you roll out the dough very well, okay? So now let's roll it until we achieve the perfect size. While that is done, I'm going to be using my knife to cut the dough into the shapes that I want. You can use anything that can help you cut your dough very well, okay? I'm using a knife. You can use your pizza cutter to cut it very nicely if that is what you have, okay? And after cutting it, this is the perfect shapes that I got. You can as well use your scissors if that is what you have, and trust me, the scissors works very fast for me, and it's very easy as well. So I prefer to use my scissors to cut my chin chin because that is what works perfect for me, okay? So now let's cut everything nicely and set it aside. And afterwards, this is the perfect result that came out from it. Very beautiful and ready to fry. So into my hot pan, I'm going to add in my oil, and make sure the oil gets very hot before you go in with your chin chin. And as soon as you add in your chin chin, make sure to lower your heat to low medium heat so that the outside and the inside will fry beautifully and also get that perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. So now let's fry until it is nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't liked this video or subscribed to my channel at this point, wait, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell over there so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And don't forget as well to follow me on all social media platforms at Cooking with Efia. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after frying this chin chin on low medium heat for about 10 minutes now, this is how it looks like. Look at how golden and crispy it turned out. I just love the outcome. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this chin chin recipe. I hope you're going to try, and you are definitely going to love it. So now let's fry the second batch until it is nice and ready just like this. Christmas is approaching, so trust me, making this for your family and your guests, they are definitely going to love it. Try this and thank me later. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. As always, do subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell over there, and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.